Awesome. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Nice. Alright man, what's your name real quick and what's in here?
Jhonny, and I got 2 EVL 15s and a custom box.
Huh?
And I got a MD 3K Terran and 220 alt. Okay. All 2-way wire. Yep. That's about it.
Okay. Did you build the box?
I did.
Nice work.
It's old. It's very old. That's why it's all beat up. I got to build another one.
Where's your port?
It's over here at the bottom.
Is it a slot?
Slot port, yeah.
What is it tuned to?
31.
31? Okay. Can I see your port real quick before I end?
Yeah, no problem.
Curious to see it. Nice, man. Looks good.
Yep.
Deep.
Maybe I'll have the one next year a little bit better off.
Yes, sir. All right, hey man, nice to meet you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks for watching.
Yes, sir.
All right. How low does it play down to?
It'll play down to 28.
Do you have another song?
It'll play to 20 effectively.
Yeah.
So,
But it likes the, what, 30? What range does it like most, you'd say?
40 to 43. I haven't metered it, but that's
where it does really well at?
Yeah.
Okay. You're good, man. How big is your box, cubic wise?
It is 7.4 cubic feet. Okay. Port is 6 by 20 by 30. So it's 6, 20.
Yep. All right. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do a good bit.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah. I've seen some crazy stuff, and I've seen stuff that you would think nobody would have.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the craziest shit you've seen?
I'd say he had 12 12s in a 6th order, and he had a center console port build, and it had 3 tunings, and then it sat on the other side of the port on the other end, and it was a 171 dB.
Really?
Yeah. It was an extreme. Huh? Nah. It was an extreme build.
I really want to hear yours.
Single 12, yeah. I have 112. I got rid of the 415s build I had. Yeah, that was last year.
There's a certain song right here I'm trying to find.
You're good, man.
It's actually my first year out here.
Okay.
But
it's a great show.
Yeah, next year I'm gonna be back. I'll be with I'll have a Ford Thunderbird 92.
Yeah.
I'm working on 3 SP4 15s.
SP4s, yeah. Good choice. It's a laser run. to meet you, man.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for the demo.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.